Hey guys, I'm gonna be reacting to Gfriend's Travel to Tropical Destinations in New Wave music video. So Gfriend is actually my favorite rookie group of all time. Well, girl rookie group of all time, just because of their hard-hitting dance moves and vocals and whatnot. And it's really catchy, so it's my style of music, so I love it. So let's check it out. Okay, and play. Nice view. Okay. They're so cute. Yeren. So cute. Yuju, Sowan, Shinbi, Yinha. I actually like this song a lot. So cute. So catchy. Hotel. I'd actually live with them. I'd actually go on vacation with them. And you guys won't know why. Yeah, we'll definitely go on vacation with them, and for obvious reasons. Snow White. It sounds like typical K-pop, like classic K-pop. But that's their concepts usually, so... Yuju's voice. Dancing with luggages. Pretty creative. I'm G. If she's 18, I would say she was my bias, but she's 17 and I'm 21, and that was pedophilism. So cute. They look like they have so much fun. Daebak. So good. This is a commercial type song, but I actually enjoy it. It actually reminds me of old SNSD, old Super Junior type vibe. Cause, I don't know, I just got that kind of feeling like cause I'm a huge SNSD fan and Super Junior fan, and that actually reminds me of their older stuff. The happiness type stuff. I like it. I really love it. Even though it's not like their comeback, but it's a great music video. It's fun. The scenery is great, so I actually enjoy it a lot. So if you want to see more reactions from me or my friends, non-K-popers, K-popers, whoever, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.